Hello everyone, my name is Travis Walker. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for Woodstone Corporation in the Northern US and Canada. For those of you who are not familiar with Woodstone, we are a manufacturer of specialty cooking equipment based in Bellingham, Washington, a small city in the Pacific Northwest located between Seattle, Washington and Vancouver, BC. Our factory and offices are located next door to Bellingham International Airport. Once off your flight, you're just a short walk away from spending the day in our test kitchen, cooking and experiencing the amazing food that is possible in our equipment. You can also test our equipment in test kitchens located throughout the US. We are primarily known for our wood and gas-fired stone hearth ovens, which we have been building since 1989 and sell to some of the largest artisan pizza makers in the world. People like California Pizza Kitchen, Blaze Pizza, Mod Pizza, and many others. Today, however, I'm going to talk to you about another one of our products, our line of gas-powered plancha griddles. Offering a higher temperature range than traditional griddles, zero recovery, and truly independent cooking zones, the Woodstone Gas Plancha allows you to do both high volume and multi-zone cooking with the same griddle. Our planchas allow you to cook more food, faster, and with better caramelization than traditional griddles, all without sacrificing energy efficiency. Our grills are available in a 4-zone 48-inch model, a 3-zone 36-inch model, and a 2-zone 24-inch model. A 5-zone 60-inch wide model is slated for release later this year. Temperatures on the gas plancha can be set anywhere from 150 to 650 degrees Fahrenheit, reaching temperatures that are well beyond what can be achieved on a regular griddle. At higher temperatures, you can achieve greater caramelization and browning that would typically require specialty equipment. Look how easily the plancha handles this beef stir fry, which would normally require a high temperature wok station. Many customers have found that by using our plancha, they're able to avoid the need for an open charbroiler. The Woodstone Gas Plancha is a powerful tool for high volume cooking, allowing you to cook more in less space. Our gas plancha has zero recovery time between batches. This was independently verified at 3 different temperature settings at the Food Service Technology Center in San Ramon. Typical griddles lose energy when cold food is added to the plate. This means that food takes longer to cook and does not achieve the same sear and browning on subsequent loads. Oftentimes, cooks will be forced to move product around the griddle looking for a hot spot. This can cause operators to purchase more griddle space than they actually need. If you watch how the gas plancha cooks burgers, you can see that they can be flipped in the same spot and obtain the same level of browning and cook time, round after round and load after load. This can be difficult with fresh burgers, let alone the frozen burgers in this demonstration. Many of our customers have found that the combination of higher temperatures and zero recovery can allow them to do significantly more cooking in less space. This not only shrinks the cook line and saves on the initial spend on equipment, but the associated hood as well, which can save thousands per year in HVAC costs in some climates. Versatile, multi-zone cooking is also possible. A key feature of the Woodstone Gas Plancha is its truly independent cooking zones. Simmer and sear on the same surface at the same time. Our proprietary infrared burner design limits bleed from one zone to the next, allowing an operator to set up an incredibly versatile cooking platform. This is not true of many traditional griddles using a standard U-burner technology. Check out this stadium burger and brat setup. A lower 300-degree temperature zone can be used for simmering dogs and brats. A 400-degree zone can be used to hold caramelizing onions and sauerkraut. You can sear sausages and burgers in the 475-degree zone. You could even set up a separate zone for bun toasting if you wanted to. This versatility can be useful in a variety of restaurant concepts, especially when using one zone at higher temperatures. A taco shop can sear carne asada and warm tortillas on the same grill. A fine dining restaurant can hold sauces, stock, or butter while searing scallops or foie gras in an adjacent zone at 600 degrees. Our gas planchas have been a game changer for one of America's busiest fast casual restaurants, Chipotle Mexican Grill. Here's Chipotle's Carolyn Anderson.
The Woodstone plancha changed the way that we were able to load the grill faster. It changed the way that we were able to turn the food around in a manner that was tastier and more enticing for our customers. And the crews, you know, they could tell the difference immediately. The reliability of the Woodstone Plancha has been phenomenal. I can't see us ever using anything else, not just from the equipment standpoint, but from the partnership standpoint. We look for top performing people that are empowered to achieve high standards in every person, all the way down to the crew level, all the way up to the CEO of the company. And when we look for a partner, those are the kind of things that we look for. They have to have the certain characteristics that we look for in our own people. They have to have a partnership that is willing to go over and beyond. And Woodstone has just embodied every bit of that.
The versatility, recovery power, and expanded temperature range of the Plancha Griddle are not accompanied by extreme energy costs. In fact, the 48-inch Woodstone Gas Plancha meets the Energy Star standards for cooking efficiency at 42.6% and idle energy rate at 20,109 BTUs per hour. Annual energy cost for a burger restaurant operating at 375 is under $1,700 a year, and preheating time to this temperature is just over 12 minutes. All of this is made possible by the rapid response time of our infrared burners, our responsive cooking plate, and our proprietary temperature measurement and duty cycle algorithm. Our customers do not have to choose between best-in-class cooking performance and energy efficiency. With the Woodstone Gas Plancha, they get both. If you have any questions about our plancha or any other piece of high-performance cooking equipment, give me a call or send me an email.